Hey guys.
Hey guys.
Y'all see Kristen back there? She's trying to peek around the corner and say hey. Alright, it's Saturday and Saturdays are for shopping. Alright, so we're about to do some shopping today because we are heading to Disney in about 7 days. It is. So we still have some last minute items that we need to pick up to
10, 9, 8.
Yeah, it's been a countdown, but we have some last minute items that we need to pick up so we can start packing officially. So that's what we're about to do today. We're going to go to Sam's Club and we might hit a mall. I'm not really sure about the mall because if we can find a suitcase at Sam's Club, we just might not take the long trip to the mall, but who knows. Wherever the wind blows us, that's where we're going today. So we're taking you guys along with us on this Saturday's shopping trip. Saturdays are for shopping. And we're going to vlog today. We're going to try to vlog all day today because we owe you guys some videos. It's been about 2 weeks since we have posted anything. We took a little break because I've been trying to figure out some new stuff to do because I'm sick of the old. So hopefully you guys enjoy this Saturday's vlog. We'll talk to you guys in a sec.
Audio Jungle.
Alright, so we are inside Sam's Club and we're looking for a suitcase. So, you want to go down one of these aisles? Leave that alone. Alright guys, so we did end up getting the suitcase out of Sam's Club and Kristen is like not a happy camper. She do not want to be in the seat. And we're going to attempt to go to the mall. We're going to go to the mall? So we're going to attempt to go to the mall. Hopefully she go to sleep. She really needs a nap. Let me roll the window down. But we got sushi as well. You can't go to Sam's Club without getting their sushi. If you've never tried their sushi before, it is a must. But Kristen is really cranky right now because she needs a nap. So we're going to talk to you guys when we get to the mall. The mall is about a 45-minute drive. So we're about to take this drive and we'll see y'all when we get to the mall.
Audio.
Alright, hey, we have made it to the mall and Kristen is still being fussy. So Demetrius and the girls are in the store, and me and Kristen is sitting in the middle of the mall nursing because she is being super duper fussy right now. So I'm trying to calm her down just a little bit so we can actually do some shopping because this is a huge mall and I want to hit a few stores. I just don't want to do 1 or 2 stores and have to take that trip back home because that was a long trip, 45 minutes to drive here and not be able to, you know, shop for real. So I'm giving her some milk and hopefully it works out. I hope you guys can hear me because it is kind of loud in here. But I'm going to turn the camera back on once I get her calmed down and we hit a few more stores. They're in a Nike outlet store right now. I think they're about to check out soon, so they should be coming out. But yeah, I want to hit a few stores because this is an outlet mall. They have tons and tons and tons of stores. So this is a shopper's heaven. This is my heaven right now. So let me calm this baby down and then we're about to do some shopping. Alright, so we are on the move and doing some shopping and we're coming into the Disney store to check out their clearance rack. Yeah. to see if we can find some stuff to take with us.
Mama.
So we'll have to buy it at Disney. So. Alright, hey guys, so we are back home. Yeah, you say hi. Alright, so we are back home from shopping, and yeah, you telling them we back home. And I didn't do that much shopping. It was so hectic shopping with them today. It's like a waste of a trip actually. But I did get a few items. I got these shorts. I was somewhere that I could have got from my local mall, H&M. Just got these little shorts, $10. I got the girls some Disney socks. They had those in H&M. I also, where's my other bag? I also went into Bath & Body Works because I had a coupon. Let me see. I'll show you guys my favorite scent. I shouldn't even show y'all my favorite scent because I don't want y'all hustling like mine. But this is my favorite scent. Well, one of them, the strawberry pound cake. I mixed this with another scent that supposedly is discontinued, and I did not know that until today. I went into Forever 21. I have not shopped in Forever 21 in like over a year. Like, seriously, I haven't. Because our Forever 21 got shut down or something. I don't know. But I only got two things. I got a t-shirt. Just a little t-shirt to throw on. This t-shirt. Just a little t-shirt. And some little boxer, what's these called? Rider shorts, boxer shorts, whatever. Lastly, we went into the Disney store. We showed you guys that we went into there, and I got everybody masks because they were on sale. For a pack of 4, they were $4. So I got these Disney masks. Alright, so this is one of them. Here's another one. And then this one. And then this one. So they're $1 each. So that was like a super duper steal. Because these masks are normally, I think, like $10 a piece on Disney site. So I got the kids the matching one. Only one that got different ones is Kristen. But is these the ones I got for Kristen? No. The girls have different ones. So I'm going to show you guys these ones. Okay, so here are the ones for the girls. It has, please stop screaming. It has 2 Minnie Mouse ones in there. These are super duper cute. So these are the masks that we got for Disney. Alright, so those are the masks that we got for the kids. And so I've ordered the Disney masks before for Kyler and Kaylin, but they were too small, the small ones. So the small ones will fit like on a 1-year-old because Kristen is 1. And they fit perfect and she wears them with no problem. But for Kaylin and Kyler, they need a medium, so we were able to get the medium for them, and I was happy that I was like super duper upset about those masks that I ordered for them, and I could not get the right size. So that's our shopping haul for today. We're about to end this Saturday shopping haul, and our next video will be us actually packing for Disney. So you want to see us pack in all of the Disney apparel that we have racked up over the last few months, because it's been a few months I have been shopping for this trip. Tune into that video. So until next time, we're going to see you guys later. Tell everybody bye.
Bye.